guys, it's Nisha from Perfect Homes again. So today I'm here at Siritana Condominium. So I would love to show you guys this room. We have 1 bedroom and 2 bathroom. It's really nice. It's 81.72 square meters. I would love to show you guys, but I would like to talk about this condominium first. So this locates near Mae Hia markets, and it's around 5 minutes to the city. Really easy if you want to go to the airports, if you want to go to grocery store like Big C or either Macro, Lotus. It's just right there. And then this is a really nice and peaceful condominium. So I would love to show you guys to the room. So let's go. Alright, I'm here at the room. So the room is on the 6th floor and they have 1 bedroom and 2 bathroom. The total is 81.72 square meters. So I'm here. So let's check it out. On this side, so they have a kitchen area. So they have a sinks on both sinks, and then they have a storage right upper here and then the down here. So when you guys have the stuff, so you don't have to put all over around here, so you just can keep it clean. And then they have an electricity hob and then the hood as well. So the owner, he puts in the hood in the wall. So when you cooking, like for example, like when you cook like Thai food or like smelly a little bit, so you can just turn on the hood so the smell is doesn't go everywhere in your room. And then this is a really huge refrigerator right here. And on another side, when you go to the room, so it's 1 bathroom. So right here, it's really nice door. So the owner put the hot water and cold water system as well in this bathroom. And when you close this, and then when you walk to go to the living area, the one thing I really like is the wall. So the owner put a really wall like their own style. This is really nice. Alright, so when you walk a little bit more, here is the dining table. This really cool dining table. They have a really Thai tradition style, so if you can see here, so it's like an artwork a little bit, yeah. And then when you enjoy the dinner, enjoy the artwork, and then if you can see upper here is a light. It's really cool. It's so creative. Alright, so here is the big another storage, so you can put all the stuff that you like and put in here, so keep it clean, yeah. And this is living area. I really like this living area because it's open space. If you can see, it's a window, 2 windows here, and then in the middle of the light, the bright is from outside and the light as well in the room. So, and yeah, it's really comfy, and then you can watch the TV. The TV from here is really big screen. I would like to mention this room is, as you can see, like all you see is all you get. Like it's come with that, yeah. So this is the really big TV, and then they have the views from the outside, so it's open space. And one thing that I really like is this one, the curtain. This one, the cap, I think is the mat. Yeah, it's really traditional and it's really nice. This is a really nice work. Yeah, and here is the working table. as I mentioned that the owner, they do really nice at the wall. This wall is a really nice, so if you can see, it's like really matched with the sofa, with the color of the room. Is feel homey for me. I kind of really loving it. Let me show you guys the bedroom. So right now I'm at the bedroom area. So if you can see, it's really big, and behind me they have a walk-in closet. So let me show you guys. Oops, yeah. Right here is a really big space, so they have a walk-in closet, so you can put his and her clothes. And then this size is have a bathroom, so it's the same thing like as I mentioned for you before. It's a two bedroom, sorry. So they have a hot water and cold water system as well. Really nice, isn't it? So, and we walk a little bit more. So right here, the owner, he put the chair, and then cool lights again. So the owner, he's put a chair. I think it's for like him to relax and watching the TV as well. And then right here is the bed area. The same, so you can watch the TV from the bed or either from the sofa. And they have one aircon. It's really nice, make the room cold and cozy. And behind here is a balcony. So at the same, he put the nets, so it's protect the birds as well. And then of course outside have a washing machines and then the dryer as well. So it's nice, isn't it? So what you guys think about this room? So I would like to remind you guys again. So this room is 1 bedroom and 2 bathroom, and 81.72 square meters is at the Siritana Condominium. So near Mae Hia. It's only 5 minutes in the city. So if you guys would like to see this room, so please call us from this phone number, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on the Perfect Home channel. I'll see you guys next video. Thank you. Bye bye.